Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to today's session, Tuesday, 9 a.m. briefing, 9 a.m. sharp, less than 30 minutes for the market to open on May 24 from 2022 and getting ready for a new day. So starting with the pre-market action, we have right now NASDAQ down 165%. We also have SP 500 down 1% down. And we are seeing some selling pressure on some of the names, especially on after the snap yesterday. We saw Facebook, and we have Facebook down more than $15, and a little bit frustrating because yesterday I tried twice. I believe it was twice on puts 185. But they kept squeezing me up, and I decided to close. A little bit frustration right now that those puts are above 5 this morning. So congratulations to all the shorts that held the position on those puts. Well done. So looking for the futures, we are fading a bit, but not falling apart. And looking for the NASDAQ as we speak, we are off the lows, so we made a kind of a double bottom at the lows. We having here, okay, some bottom. We retested the breakout. Now what? Now for the bull case continuation, we need to go. We need a NASDAQ to do something like this, okay, to resume and go from red to green. Yesterday we saw Apple with the unusual relative trend, so let's see if it's going for a follow-through continuation or not. So that's for the bull case. For the bear case, what do bears need? Bears need to push price below, okay, the support level, retest the lows on the pre-market and break down below. Okay, that's for the bear case. But once again, let's wait to see where they are going next. Apple yesterday had a big move. All the way from 137 to 143. I did not chase the move. I don't regret it not chasing the move. Some relative strength out of nowhere, oversold bounce. As I've said, I'm dealing with this as an oversold bounce, at least for now, following the Friday lows, retesting the 8-day moving average. Now what? We are having a kind of inside action. It's at 141. We need 141, okay? 141 is the level. If bulls want it, they need to go from 141 back into 143, breaking above yesterday highs, and some follow-through continuation for a move all the way into the next level. We have the 21-day moving average at 150. Can that happen? Yeah, anything is possible, but once again, we need to see it. So as I was not confident enough, I did not get any long position on Apple. So I prefer to wait if we have here some follow-through continuation. So 141 is the level. If they break below 141, we have yesterday lows, 137, 65, and below that it will be very ugly. Basically, it will give back all yesterday move and going back into Friday lows. So keeping open mind, the market is pretty much broken, so be careful. AMD, it will be also on watch. Why? Yesterday, inside action. After the big range from Friday, okay, big range from 98 to 88, $10 range yesterday, we printed some inside action. Now I want to see stock at 93.5. I want to see what they are going to do next. Bulls needs above 95 to try go back above 98. Bears needs below $90 to try to break down and going into Friday lows 88. So keeping my eyes here to see where they are going to put the next move. Facebook. What can I say about Facebook? I'm a little bit pissed, okay? Yesterday we got over puts 185. I got several times on those puts 185, and they keep squeezing me. Okay, I got first I got here, I believe. Second, I tried some more into the end of the day. I decided to close because they kept squeezing up. just to give it all back, and right now below 180. So those puts 185 that we bought yesterday at $1.40 are going to open above 5. Okay, so yeah, in 10 contracts from 1400 all the way into 5000. So congratulations if you held the position. Now what? I'm not catching the knife. I was bearish on the name. That's why yesterday I was insisting over and over again on Facebook puts. There is the reason. I was expecting the action to happen intraday, not overnight. So now it's a little bit trickier. The easier entry was yesterday. Right now is a bit trickier. If you are short, in my opinion, if you holding our yesterday puts 185, in my opinion, after the market open, you should close 50% of your position. You made more than 3-4 times the money overnight, so congratulations. And from there, if it recovers 180, okay, so line in the sand is 180. If it recovers 180, right now below 180, if it recovers, I would close all the puts and look for an oversold bounce. But if it stays below 180, yeah, we can go 175, 169, okay, those are the levels. But on the way down, you should be trimming your gains, not adding, in my opinion, and congratulations. IWM, it will be on focus. Why? Yesterday printed an inside action. It stalled exactly where it should. 178.96, okay, 1 cent below Friday highs, okay. So they keeping here the price amazing, 1 cent below Friday highs. So what I want to see right now at 1767, I want to see if they are able to hold above 175. Bulls needs above 179 to try to go into 180, 182. That's where we have the 21-day moving average. Bears needs to push price below 175 to try to go back into Friday lows at 171.7. So keeping my highs here also on IWM. Microsoft, it will be also on focus. Yesterday showed some relative strength. Right now on the pre-market is down, but not much. Okay, we have Facebook that's big down. Microsoft and Apple, they are down, but not that much. So I'll be watching here if it holds 258 as we speak. It's at 258. If they hold 258, I'll be looking to see if it's able to go from red to green above 262. It can go all the way into 265, 268. That's the next level, but needs to go above 262. So keeping my highs there. If not able to hold 258, then we have yesterday lows 253, and below that it will go very ugly, going back into Friday lows of the day. The cubes, of course, it will be a focus. Why? Because basically the cubes. The cubes are falling a little bit, falling apart, following the Facebook and Snap and all those names, Google and so on, all those names that are falling apart this morning. But actually, the cubes are holding above yesterday lows, so they are at 288. So what I want to see, if they are able to hold the yesterday lows. Okay, if they hold yesterday lows, they need to push above 290. Above 290, they need to push it back above 293. Okay, that's for the bull case. But if they break below 287, then bad things can happen. Can go back into Friday lows to 280. So in my opinion, the focus right now will be on tech names. SPY, pretty much the same yesterday. They stalled at 397. Okay, they stalled at 397. Right now 392. Same thing as the cubes. They are holding above yesterday lows. So what I want to see, if it holds 390. Bear case below 390, it can hold over. We have 385, we have Friday lows 380, but we need to break below 390. Otherwise, if they hold above 392, they need to go from red to green, going above, and that's when I'll become bullish if it breaks above 398, okay, above 398 for a move all the way back into 405, 406. But once again, we need to see it. Tesla, it was a beautiful from Friday. Okay, we got some Tesla shorts on Friday out of the gate, put 700, we got at 5, we got below 5, they gone all the way. I closed alpha 15, the rest at 22, they gone all the way into $77. So it was great. But after a big move down, okay, yesterday it printed some inside action. It's normal, some consolidation here killing the premium. But this is still on the bear camp. Bears needs below 638 to try to roll over and push price all the way into 600. So that's the level that we will be looking. Bulls, if they want it, they need to push above 680. Not saying it's impossible, but waiting to see. They need to hold 650, try to push above 680, and from there we have $700, 720 as the biggest supply zone. Okay, so right now going back into NASDAQ, we are still holding. We are off the lows. Okay, and that's something to keep on watch, because we have here a double bottom. We made a kind of a double bottom and inverted head and shoulders. We retested the breakout point was here. They retested the open. They faded, retested the support. Now trying to hold here. Bulls for continuation need to do something like this, and we can go from red to green. Okay, that's for the bull case. Otherwise, if it breaks below this support line and roll over, it will be a short time. Okay, so that will be my game plan and watch for the day. So with this said, I would like to thank you all for watching the 9 a.m. briefing. I'm doing this from Monday to Friday. Please give a like, subscribe to the channel, share with your friends. I'm doing this free, trying to help the traders community. And trading has been hard. Okay, yesterday it was very hard. Basically, we got in the calls, we got stopped. We got in puts, we got stopped. So yesterday it was a pain in the ass, basically. But it happens. Okay. As I usually say, on days like we had on Friday it was an amazing day. We generate the cash flow for those days where the action can go a little bit sharper, and we get stuck inside of a tight range. And when we get stuck inside of a tight range, both calls and puts will not work. Okay, at least when we buy. What it works is selling out of the money options. I'm not a trader, an option seller. But if you do, you take advantage. You can take advantage from selling options on these inside days where basically the calls and the puts premium will lose value, and you will be able to make some money there. So right now it's a tight range. I'll be waiting for the next break one way or the other. We have room to go, but we need to go above yesterday highs, and we need NASDAQ to go from red to green for a break into the 21-day moving average, and that can trigger a big short squeeze. But once again, we need to see it. Okay, so manage your risk very wisely. Once again, as I've been saying, it's no time to be a hero. Be careful, protect your cash, try to generate some cash flow, get in, reduce your size. Okay, on the trades. I've been reducing my size on the trades. Trade small, and if you see that it breaks the level and stays above the level, you can have more size scalping for the next level. Okay, so be very careful with this. With this said, time to go. 16 minutes for the market to open. Good luck. Also tomorrow, I'm not having the 9 a.m. briefing. I have an appointment, so I have a late trading. Okay, so tomorrow I will not have the 9 a.m. briefing, but I will be back with the 9 a.m. briefing on Thursday. Okay, so stay tuned. Thursday, set your calendars. Thursday, 9 a.m. briefing sharp. Okay, thank you. Bye bye, everyone.